Our next topic is societal implications, technological advancement, impact culture, empowerment, privacy, and social structures, emphasizing the need to balance innovation with ethical responsibility and social well being.
Let's imagine a scenario where you're scrolling on your phone casually, consuming content online, and unwinding after a long day, when suddenly you experience a feeling of absolute dumbfoundedness. The algorithm has somehow presented you with a video or a product you had thought about in passing earlier in the day. Not too far from reality, is it? Designed to maximize user engagement on social media platforms, the algorithms begins to fashion our existence, both online and offline, shaping the content we encounter and creating a digital echo chamber that reinforces our preferences while influencing our perceptions. What does this tell us about technology? Clearly, it has a profound impact on our day to day existence, instead of simply existing in a vacuum. Technological growth is incomplete without societal considerations. Innovations impact people. For instance, according to the Government of India's Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, a quiet revolution has been underway in India ever since the nation embraced electronic payments via the Unified Payment Interface, popularly known as UPI, with over 40% of transactions now being digital. India's digital public infrastructure has accorded space to local commercial networks and businesses into the formal economy, as well as financially empowered marginalized groups left out of the formal banking system. Such a digital transformation can only be initiated through collaborative efforts between humans and technology. Accenture's Chief Technology Officer, Paul Daugherty, has proposed a top down human knowledge model, wherein natural intelligence is imparted to previously artificial, thus making the role of humans extremely crucial to the development of the technological ecosystem. This comes with a lot of responsibility. Devoid of adequate contextual understanding possessed by humans, technology has to be modeled in a way that it remains rooted in our societal reality. Author Arnold has recently stated that technology must be viewed as socially, culturally, ecologically, and politically situated. The success of a technology is not only marked by its technical efficacy, but also by how well realized it is in its social context. In our dynamic and changing world, wherein multiple stakeholders must work side by side, technologists, business persons, economists, environmentalists, policymakers, anthropologists, academicians, along with government bodies, digital success is not only measured in terms of the implementation of technology, but the social solutions businesses can offer through responsible technological innovation. This collaboration reaps benefits for businesses and societies alike. By remaining transparent, accountable, and creating value for all stakeholders, firms can achieve greater competency, trust, and opportunities to lead by example. A 2018 McKinsey survey recognizes the power of significance of such an impact economy, wherein consumers and shareholders will challenge entrepreneurs and executives to show that they generate their profits in a manner that contributes to the public good. As we saw in the case of UPI boom in India, harnessing digital potential to develop social solutions not only fosters financial inclusion, but proves a strategic imperative towards building sustainable business practices. Another major occurrence to highlight the value of sustainable and socially rooted digital solutions is the COVID-19 pandemic, a turning point not just in history, but a crucial juncture for many businesses and their digital journeys. Firms were able to adapt during this tumultuous period because of technology solutions such as remote collaboration tools, e-commerce platforms, data analysis, etc. These not only sustained business operations but also showcased the resilience of technology in addressing unforeseen social challenges. According to new McKinsey Global Survey of Executives, companies have accelerated the digitization of their customer and supply chain interactions and of their internal operations by 3 to 4 years. And the share of digitally enabled products in their portfolios has accelerated by a shocking 7 years. Funding for digital initiatives has increased more than anything else. More than increases in cost, the number of people in technology roles, and the number of customers. How COVID-19 has pushed companies over the technology tipping point and transformed businesses forever. The survey's narrative suggests that the crisis condensed years of anticipated change into a compressed time frame. Businesses were not merely reacting, they were reimagining their operations, products, and services with a digital-first mindset. This underscores not just the ability or adaptability of businesses, but the pivotal role of technology as a societal force. In the wake of upheaval, what emerges is profound recognition. The digital journey is not just about technology. It's about the evolution of societies, economies, and the collaborative future we are all living in.